charts in Google Drawer. So I am in a Google Doc right now, and I'm going to head on up to Insert, Drawing, New. From here, I'm going to hit this shape button, shapes, and then if I have a male, I'm going to click on rectangle. If I have a female, I'm going to go for the oval. Let's start with a female. I want it to be a circle, so I'm going to try and make it as even as I can. Now, if they are showing the allele of interest, I am going to color it black. Let's add a male to our chart. I'm going to hit that rectangle button, and look at that. It wants to size it the same size for me. This is what I want. I'm going to let go. It's now the same size. Now this male, he is not showing that allele of interest, so I've colored him in white, and now I want to make sure they are the same level so that I can draw the line between them in a straight way. So I've gone up to the line menu, and it brings up these purple dots, and I just connect the two. When you have finished drawing your epic pedigree chart that is a lot more than just these two pigeons, you're going to go to Save and Close, and it will generate.